Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing another Christmas bracelet using my bead needle and these beads that I showed y'all yesterday that I will be doing. And I'm going to be using my string and my scissors. The spacers are in here, so let's get started on what I'm going to be creating. I'm going to pour these out. I'll put these out in a minute, but we are using the clear color bead, this burgundy red looking color, and then we have the clear and the red color looking color on this bead. So stay tuned of what I'm going to be doing. So this is what I'm going for right here. So we got the different color bead, and we got the reddish burgundy bead and the white bead, and then it goes on around, but I'm going to show you what it looks like on here on this beaded needle. Let me show you what it's going to look like on here. So stay tuned and I'll be back. So this is what I have so far, and I decided to do some on camera so y'all can see me do it. But how are y'all today? Take this off because I'll put it on there when I'm done putting it on the string. So what I'm going to do now is put it on the string. But I'm doing fine today. Can't complain about nothing. Like one of these things keep doing this. These spacers keep on getting in the way and having my hook up. Take this off and put that over here. What I want to do is straighten it out where it would. And I'm going to put my spacer on here. And then my bead. I'm going to do another spacer because I have the clear bead, and then it's a spacer, and then, well, the spacer and then the clear bead. That's how I got it. Clear bead spacer, and then clear bead, and then the color beads, and then the spacer, clear bead spacer. So that's the way I'm going to put it. I'm going to cut it out some. and then tie it up. This is what I got right here. Yeah, I can see it. But I'm gonna be doing my I think it's called seeded beads. I'm gonna be doing them soon. I don't know when. I'm gonna just do them. But yeah. And then I'm just putting the beads, whatever falls on the board. That's how I'm gonna do them. However it falls. So this is the other pattern that I got. I think I'm gonna do 3 beads, spacer, and then well, it's the circle bead, circle spacer, and then it's this spacer. So yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna do it. 3 beads and spacer and 3 beads. And then probably the next one I'm gonna do a pattern probably with 2 spacers on there. So okay, so this is what I got. 3 bead spacer, 3 bead spacer, 3 bead spacer. So this is what I have. Now I'm gonna put the thing on there. Sorry about that, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on down on there. Still got some left on here. Probably do me another video today. I'm gonna have my daughter help me with my Cricut cutter and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see that, see how it goes and all that good stuff. Can't wait to use it. Make me some stickers and all that good stuff on there. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Make me another video showing y'all how I do my stuff. Take it out of the box and all that good stuff, and you know. Just gonna have to have another spacer around here in between, because I don't want it to be 4. I mean, it'd be 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't want it to be 6. So now what I'm going to do is snip it, as in cut it. And then I'm going to tie it up like this. And then look like this. I think I'm gonna do another. I'm gonna do another video with like probably my seeded beads and my clay beads. I didn't buy that clay bead spinner for nothing. a bead spinner or whatever you want to call it. I didn't buy that for nothing. But here's go the other ones. And then, like I said before, I'm thinking about, I'm not thinking, I know I'm gonna do it. Doing me some, my own beads, making my own beads and making my jewelry out of it. So, yep, that's what I think I'm gonna be doing. I don't need that one. I think I'm gonna do this one. Yes, this. And this is the pattern I have. Whew, about to slip out my hand right here. So I'm putting them on here again. So this time I'm putting 2 beads, 2 different colors. I mean 2 different spacers on there. So it'll be the circle and that whatever, this shape or whatever that is, and then 2 beads and then the same thing. So it's a pattern that I'm doing. And that pattern with, not the pattern with the beads, but with the spacers. So yeah. Then I'm going to get my string. Put it on here. Whatever. This is crazy. Cause honey, I think, like I said in the other yesterday's video, I think I'm gonna use my hands to put the beads on, but I don't know. Cause honey, this is, I know this is not gonna be enough. So on the string. So let me go ahead and put a little bit more on here so that it will be right. So when I put it on the board, it will do good. It'll be good. So I'm gonna put 2 more beads on here and then take the rest of them off. Let's see. Too many. I guess I take it off. Yep. Right. Hold on. Yep, right fit for it. And straighten up these bead things. And then I'm going to tie it. But I'm about to show y'all when I'm done with this. I'm about to show y'all the ashtrays and stuff that I be making with my resin and stuff. I'm about to show y'all that if I have enough storage, because you know my phone be going, that storage be going crazy. This is what I got. Then I'm gonna go in my thing and put the tag on here. So yeah. Then I'm gonna probably stick it right here. There. So I'll be back with what I be doing with my resin and stuff. I'm gonna show you about 2 of them. My ashtrays and something that, whatever else I'm gonna show y'all. I think my bonnet stuff, I gotta find my bonnets, but my ashtrays, because I know where they at. So hold on. So first what I got is, I've been making these kind of ashtrays. And this goes with it, but I use this for other stuff. And then I have this ashtray. All of this is resin. And then I do my jars. I do the grinders and all that too. And I do hair products. This is shea butter, the cream for your hair. Or you can put it on your skin too. It doesn't matter. People put it on their hair and they put it on their skin. Then I have my oil. You can use the oil daily and do a protective style or whatever the case may be, whatever. But with this, the cream, you have to wash your hair in order to see the results of it. Wash your hair and put it on there. You just need a dime size on your hand, or on your finger, just a dime size. And yeah, this is what I be making. Then I be making these keychain things like this. I had a necklace and I was gonna make a bracelet like this with the little lips to go with this. Well, to go with the necklace, or what else was it? The earrings. I was gonna make the bracelet to go with that too. But I just did the keychain. This thing fell off of it, so yeah. But yeah, I got other stuff I have to show y'all too that I do, but I can't find it. Once I find it, it'll be in another video. So thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Bye.